Assignment. Hi, it is assignment time once again. Are you excited for a simple assignment? Okay, let us do it. Can you first write a function to multiply two numbers and print the result? Now, can you print this output for 15 times using a for loop? Okay, how do you do it? So, go to Python and first write a function to multiply two numbers. So, write def space name of the function. Here, name the function as multiply. Then space open bracket, close bracket, colon. And inside the brackets, put two variables, number 1, comma number 2. Press enter and write the formula to multiply two numbers. Create a variable result equal to number 1 asterisk number 2. Press enter and write print open bracket close bracket and type result inside the brackets. Now print the output for 15 types. We have seen 4 methods on how to print the same output many times. Correct. They are method 1 writing 10 print statements, method 2 writing 1 print statement inside loop, method 3 calling the function 10 times, and method 4 calling the function inside a loop. Now you can choose any of these 4 methods that is comfortable for you and print the output for 15 times. So try this assignment and send your assignments very soon. We are so excited to see them. See you all in another interesting video. Bye bye.